Hello everybody! Sedaj smo že navajeni začetka naših angleških uric na daljavo. Sing and dance with the hello song.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Today we will learn about animals. Torej, danes se bomo učili o živalih na kmetiji. Narava spomladi oživi po zimskem spancu. Takrat se pričnejo tudi opravila na kmetiji. Na kmetiji se živali nahajajo v treh okoljih, in sicer in a barn, torej hlev, a coop, kokošnjak, and a field, polje. Premisli, katere živali prebivajo v določenem okolju. Gotovo se spomniš veliko živali. Znaš, katero poimenovati po angleško? Malo ustavi posnetek in premisli. Sedaj si oglej živali, katere bomo razvrstili v ta tri okolja in jih ponovi za menoj. A duck, a pig, a horse, a cow, a rooster, a sheep. Kam bi lahko dali a duck? Katero okolje? In a barn, in a coop, or on a field? Mogoče nekako najbolje spada pred hlev. Torej, a duck. What about a pig? In a barn. A horse? Horse. It can be in a barn or on a field. What about a cow? Also on a field or in a barn. A rooster? In a coop. And the sheep? On a field or in a barn. Vse te živali srečamo v pesmi Old MacDonald had a farm. Listen.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. What does a cow say? Meow. Oink. Moo. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. What does a horse say? Woof woof? Moo? Neigh? With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? Quack? Tweet tweet? Oink? With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. What does a sheep say? Cluck cluck? Oink? Ba? With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. What does a duck say? Meow? Moo? Quack quack? With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. What does a rooster say? Ribbit? Meow? Cock-a-doodle-doo? With a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O.
V pesmi smo ugotovili, da se živali različno oglašajo. Poskušajmo povezati oglašanje živali z ustrezno živaljo. Če boš pri tem imel težave, lahko pesmico še enkrat poslušaš. Katera žival se je oglašala? Neigh, neigh. Was this a duck, a pig, a horse, a cow, a rooster or a sheep? Neigh. It was a horse. What about ba, ba? This is a sheep. What about quack, quack? This is a duck. What about moo? A cow. Cock-a-doodle-doo. A rooster. And oink, oink, a pig. Well done. Now listen and tell me what animal do you hear. Torej poslušaj živali in povej, katero žival slišiš. This was a pig. What do you hear? It was a cow. What animal do you hear? This was a duck. This was a horse. A pig again. A rooster. And the last one. A sheep. Now it's time for your notebook. So take your English notebook and write the title Farm Animals. Torej v angleški zvezek na naslednjo prosto stran napišeš naslov Farm Animals, kar pomeni živali na kmetiji. Spodaj You draw the animals, torej narišeš živali, ki smo jih danes omenili. Ta posnetek si boš prevrtel nazaj, tam, kjer so bile živali narisane. In potem spodaj pod vsako žival zapišeš, you write, kako se žival po angleško imenuje. Torej pomagaš si s tem posnetkom. Se slišimo naslednjič in upam, da čim prej vidimo. Bye bye!